date, and also the date the color-coded tier system goes away. KTVU's Allie Rasmus joins us live this afternoon with more on this new information. Allie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mike. Well, Dr. Mark Ghaly with the California Department of Public Health says the state by June 15th will have reached a point where some of the precautions we've used in the past for the past 14 to 16 months won't be needed for the foreseeable future. So that means come June 16th, there will be no more capacity limitations for businesses, no physical distancing requirements in businesses. State rules about mask wearing will align and be identical with the CDC guidelines, and travel guidelines will also be the same as the CDC's. Now, for large-scale events, the California Department of Public Health has issued these guidelines effective June 15th. Outdoor events with more than 10,000 people, proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test will be recommended for events organizers. Indoor events with more than 5,000 people, proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test will be required. Dr. Ghaly said local health authorities will be allowed to maintain some stricter rules for their area beyond June 15th. There are still 10 California counties that remain in the state's most restrictive red tier.
It's not that we won't see COVID cases moving forward. It's not that we won't see even some isolated outbreaks, but we do have the tools to be able to manage that, and we have the ultimate tool that I'm going to say once again, vaccination, to be able to help keep those opportunities for outbreaks to occur to a minimum.
Dr. Ghaly said that California will not create a vaccine passport system, but is working on a way to help people who misplace or lose their vaccination cards. He also didn't provide any information on what might happen with regards to masking rules for kids in camps outdoors after June 15th. Earlier this week, the governors of Oregon and Massachusetts announced children in grades K through 12 doing outdoor camps and sports this summer will not be required to wear masks. California health officials have only said that children will be required to wear masks for the remainder of this school year this spring. But again, no word today, no specifics as to whether that will change for kids in the fall, especially, Mike, for that older group of kids, 12 to 17-year-olds, whom by the start of the next school year will have had an opportunity to be vaccinated. Reporting live, Allie Rasmus, KTVU, Fox News.
And I know a lot of parents and students who are very curious about when the fall season comes up in this new academic year, whether or not they will have to wear those masks. All right, Allie, thank you.